Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Dear future me, I hope you didn't forget. I hope you still love speed. I hope you still draw Porsches in the margins of your notebooks. You said one day you'd drive one. Not because you wanted to go fast, but because you knew what it meant. The power, the dream, making that young kid proud. If you're reading this, you made it. Thank you for not forgetting.